Are you looking to make a piece of custom jewelry? The experts at Federal Way Custom Jewelers are here to guide you through the process from idea stage to beautiful jewel reality. Everything starts with a free design consultation. You can call, text, or just schedule online. From there, our experts will help sort through your ideas and goals. We'll propose some ideas, then review pricing and payment options with you. This is your opportunity to browse in-stock items for inspiration and to choose the diamonds and gems for your project. If you're planning to use materials or gems you already own, be sure to bring those with you to your visit. We can incorporate sentimental items, and you can trade in unwanted pieces to offset the cost of your project. We offer hand-carved wax cast jewelry, 3D CAD design and fabrication, as well as semi-custom options. Our expert jewelers will begin the design process using the method that best suits your specific needs. We will show you our first draft, then incorporate your feedback in future versions until the design is perfect. This is the fun and collaborative part of the custom design process. And don't stay quiet. Your feedback is key to producing beautiful jewelry. Once you're ready to proceed, just place your deposit and we'll get to work. At this point, we source materials, cast the item, set the gems, and complete the final detail work. This is the hardest step. Quality takes time, and most custom projects take 2 to 8 weeks to complete to our stringent satisfaction. Time for the big reveal. Stop by to see your finished product in person and take your beautiful item home. At Federal Way Custom Jewelers, you will always speak to a jewelry expert, receive advice that's right for you, and get honest pricing every single time. Each piece we make is backed by a 1-year warranty on our workmanship and a satisfaction guarantee. We want you to love your new piece. Ready to get started? Visit our website, call, or stop by our store next to Trader Joe's and Federal Way to launch your custom project.